I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a peanut butter drink. Start with the core ingredients. Combine 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter with 1 cup of your preferred milk. Add 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup for a touch of sweetness. For a refreshing chill, toss in about 5 to 6 ice cubes. This simple combination forms the delicious base of your peanut butter drink. Once your ingredients are in the blender, secure the lid and blend on high for about 30 to 60 seconds. You're aiming for a perfectly smooth and creamy consistency, free of any peanut butter lumps. If you prefer a thinner drink, simply add an extra tablespoon or 2 of milk and blend again until well combined. Get creative with your peanut butter drink. For a fruity twist, add 1 ripe banana before blending. It makes it extra creamy and naturally sweet. If you love chocolate, stir in 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. A small pinch of cinnamon or a half teaspoon of vanilla extract can also elevate the flavor profile beautifully, offering a warm, inviting aroma. Your delicious peanut butter drink is now ready to enjoy. Pour it into a tall glass and serve immediately for the best experience. For an extra touch, you can drizzle a little more peanut butter or chocolate syrup on top, or even sprinkle some chopped peanuts for a delightful crunch. It's a perfect treat any time of day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.